How to pay with Google Wallet. So in order for you to pay using your Google Wallet, you have to set up or add your card here first. It could be credit card or debit card. Once you have signed up, log in and open your Google Wallet, these are the features that you can see: payment card, transit pass, loyalty, gift card, and photo. So basically, all you have to do is to add your card here in each of this, like the credit card, debit card, transit pass, loyalty, gift card, and you can use this as your payment to a specific agency or specific store. For example, add a payment card. So I have added a card right here. In order for you to add, you just have to tap that one and then add the information. But unfortunately, they will not allow you to record that one. After you have added your name, your card number, your address, and your phone number, they will verify if it's really your card. And once done, it will appear right here that that card has been added to your Google Wallet. So this card that is connected to your Google Wallet, you can use this whenever you pay something, like if you want to pay online games or online purchases, you can just simply choose as this one, Google Wallet, and then this credit card or debit card right here. Just choose this as your payment method and you will be deducted automatically once you purchase and use this as your payment method. So after you have added your bank card, you can also choose other ways and payment method using your Google Wallet. For example, we have here Transit Pass. So tap Transit Pass and then choose a transit agency. So you will see tons of transit agencies here, and let's just say you're using this agency every day, like if you go to work or if you go to school and you use this kind of transit, all you have to do is to tap that one and then enter your transit pass right here. And then after that, as simple as that, you just have to add information and then, yeah, choose this as your payment method. So this is what it looks like. Tap sign in and you have paid your transit fee. Then we have here, or they have here also, aside from payment send, a transit pass, a loyalty card. So let's just say you always go or buy something or a product from that store, or let's just say you always go to Starbucks. And if you have your loyalty card, all you have to do is to scan that My Starbucks rewards, and then you will have the benefits such as like the discount or other freebies. So all you have to do is to scan your card or your member ID. You have to input here manually and add this to your wallet. And then they have also this gift card. So you have to select that store, you have to select that company. For example, you keep using Amazon, and then you have your gift card with you. So enter the information here. Click add to wallet and it will be added to your Google Wallet. As easy as that. And last is you have the photo. So you just have to click this one and then choose photo with barcode or QR code. Then you can create a digital pass using this feature here on Google Wallet. So that's it. You can have your Google Wallet with you and you can pay wherever you are using the Google Wallet. All you have to do is to link a card here, bank account that is still functioning or working, also transit pass, gift card, and so on. I do really hope that this video helped you. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you again in our next video tutorials.